Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is Sunday, so after Friday, a lot of talking, a lot of story, my work story. So today is Sunday, Sunday. So tomorrow, hopefully, going to work. Don't be like me, and Sunday, like want to go back to work, like feel like very uneasy. Okay, work is just work. We go work, we do our best, what we can do. After work, come back, we enjoy our life, right? So don't be discouraged, okay, by my video on Friday, okay, because not necessarily every work is a headache. Some work is enjoyable, okay. So let's look at KLCI. Okay, we want to look at the weekly chart because this is the weekly, okay, weekly video, right? So bad news, really, this is a pin bar, a hammer, upside down hammer. Okay, so this one indicate the price want to go down. Okay, so this one we have to be careful next week. Make sure that the price doesn't. Let me pull out my tool first. So hopefully the price, okay, doesn't break back below this trend line, okay, and also doesn't, okay, come down below 1613. Okay, so 1613 is still our benchmark for a bull market. Okay, so if it comes down below 1613, okay, then it could be in trouble, could be come back to a sideways market. Means the market is still not ready for a bull market here. Okay, means the market is not ready for the bull market. It could come back to sideways. If it break back down here, could be come back to sideways. Okay, so this one, let's see. Okay, Monday, what happened to the market? Catch up with a few news. These few days, so manufacturing sector expand for the second month. Okay, so this is good for manufacturing. 2 months in a row. Okay, because of the MCO, right? They lifted the MCO. And Cheetah, XOX, and Lambo, right? To collaborate on online apparel store, right? That's why the Cheetah stock, fly for the few weeks in a row, right? So parabolic. Okay, so going up now. Now I think after the news come out, okay, the price will be consistent already. Most likely, okay, the price will the momentum, okay, the goring already over. There's a possibility that the price might come down. Okay, so we want to look at the price already drop here, a big drop already. Okay. So 19, almost 20% drop. Okay, so this one, right, indicating that people are starting to dump the stock. So be careful. Okay, people already actually 20% drop. Okay, so people are really starting to dump the stock. Okay, I'm not saying that it will not go up, it might still continue to go up. But okay, there's a risk that people already start to dump. Okay, this is possible. This is okay, already finished goring. Possible. Lambo, I think nothing happened to Lambo. Nothing happened to Lambo. So their stock is still sideways. Okay, so nothing happened to Lambo. So if we want to see Lambo, if we want to see a search of Lambo, maybe we have this trend line here. No, it's still not here, most likely. Here and here. Okay, a break of 0.039 possible, this momentum go up. Okay, as long as it couldn't break 0.039, 0.05, 0.039 is the first barrier. If you can break, then possible there's a momentum up. Okay, but looks like it's still in a long term. Okay, long term already downtrend, but lately, okay, after the deals already sideways. So this is still a sideways, still a lower low, right? Lower low. So this is not healthy. Okay, higher high. Okay, higher high. This is higher high, but now it we make a lower low, so this is not good. Okay, so Lambo not so good. Cheetah already going. So CPO futures to trade range bound. So prices is expected to stay range bound. Okay, so nothing much for the CPO. So this one, Bursa Malaysia, to trade in cautious mode on downside buyers next week. As I said just now, right? You see the candle here, right? It's a the weekly candle is a bearish candle. Okay, it's a bearish candle. So the news also justify it's a bearish outlook. So main market volume expanded, share value. Okay. So technology fell, plantation fell, technology fell, healthcare gave up, fell. Okay, so not a very good outlook for next week. So these are bidders for the solar energy. So TM got the TM, Renhill, Tanjong, Tanjong, TNB, Tanjong, Avanscon, Koping, Umza, Jax. Okay, all these got the solar award. So that's why the solar is in play for the last few weeks, right? Last 2 weeks, last few months actually. Okay, before the Chinese New Year, the solar stock really surged. So these are the award. Probably Tanjong. I look at Tanjong. Probably Tanjong is on the uptrend. Okay, after the award, right? Tanjong looks quite good. Let's take a look at Tanjong. Okay, Tanjong making a higher high already. Okay, but the price is still in the downtrend. So not very good investing period. Okay, so not very good investing period, but the price did already make a higher high here. Okay, higher high, higher low, sorry, higher low. Okay, so indication the price want to go up. So this one is long term. Even if you want to invest, right, it's a long term. Okay, buy and hold kind of thing, buy and hold kind of thing, and the price, right, the price must be very cheap now. Okay, so the price to let go, okay, the price to cut loss is 1.080. Okay, so this one buy long term. Okay, possible have opportunity, for the price continue to go up, because this one you'll be look at the chart, right? Okay, going down, but now it's starting to U-turn up. Okay, so this one long term maybe got possibility. This is not 1 week, 2 weeks. Okay, we are talking about half a year, 1 year possible. Okay, for the Tanjong to recovery, and this project also help them. Okay, so this one probably long term. Okay, if you want to hold this one long term possible got chance. Okay, because you see the U-turn, right? The U-turn, this is not a V shape. Okay, this is not a V shape. Okay, V shape recovery. This is a V shape recovery. Okay, so this one will be slow. This one will be like something like a cup shape. Okay, or U shape recovery. So this one will take long time. Okay, and the price is quite. It's very cheap. It's the bottom, right? Tanjong already reached rock bottom. Okay, at the R1 area. Okay, already reached rock bottom. Now slowly, okay, slowly is going back up. Okay, so Tanjong price must be very cheap. Okay, it's the cheapest. Okay, the highest is R7. Okay, now it's R1. Okay, so it's very cheap. If we want to go back to the before COVID, right? 2019 is not very high also, about 2019 price around 1.390 to 1.6. Okay, so this one potential opportunity can go back to 1.3 here possible, and here, okay, for shorter term. Okay, this is the, okay, this could be a shorter term target. Let's see how many percent. 18%. Okay, still not bad. Okay, still not bad. So this one maybe you want to watch out. Okay, take a look this one. So okay, let's talk about the stock that we talked about this week. We want to revise, see what happened. Okay, what is the progress of the stock that I highlighted. MPAY. Okay, MPAY already created a triangle. So here this is weekly chart. Just now the Tanjong also is a weekly chart, right? Yeah, it's a weekly chart. Okay, better weekly we see the real picture, right? We see the long term picture, right? Better than using this one. Okay, using the short term chart, the daily chart. Okay, because that one is short term, this one is long term. Okay, so already making higher high. If the price don't break down, okay, so we foresee the price can continue to go up. Okay, so you see the long term chart. Actually, we use a long term chart, right? For long term investor, right? You see this one is very easy to see. Okay, shorter term we didn't see the U-shaped recovery, right? From there we can see, from the weekly we can see. From the daily we can't see the U-shaped recovery. Hard to see, right? Only we zoom out far away we can see the U-shaped recovery. So that's why sometimes we take a look at the weekly chart also. It's good. Okay, we can see the long term, okay, move of the chart, the potential long term move. Okay, so MPAY is in a triangle. Okay, check this triangle pattern. Look at this triangle pattern. Okay, a break above the triangle. Okay, possible opportunity to buy towards the top of the triangle, top of this channel. A breakdown. Okay, possible want to sell first. Okay, so a break above the price would be 0.245. Okay, the shorter term target would be around 0.3 area. Okay, a break up around, sorry, here it should be here, 0.29 area. Okay, 0.29, a break up here, 0.29. If a breakdown, better probably want to close. Okay, so the price is still in the channel, so it's forming a triangle, right? A triangle, so we want to see the breakup. Okay, DataSonic. Okay, DataSonic is sideways, still haven't breakout. We want to wait for a breakout to show that it got long-term support. Okay, long-term push. So this is short-term push, right? It's still like this. Okay, sideways. So we don't want to trade all these sideways, or else we're gonna holding like this one, right? This sideways since September, right? So we don't want to hold 1 year on the sideways market, right? At least we want to hold long-term, just like just now Tanjong probably got really start to move up. Okay, possible opportunity to hold even slow, if making progress. This one could continue to sideways or even drop. So we don't know. No momentum. KRONO. KRONO also weak rebound. It got a rebound over here at the almost at the bottom of the channel, right? But the rebound is very weak. Okay. So this one we want to continue to see. Hopefully, the price can continue to go up above 0.74 possibly. Okay, and after it breaks this middle trend line, right? After it breaks this middle line, okay, then we see, or 0.785, then possibly the momentum is stronger. Okay, here to now the current momentum is very weak. Okay, so I will not be buying into this this rebound. Okay, this rebound not too weak for me. Okay, and one more thing, right? The RSI is still below 50, right? We talked about a rebound. RSI surge above 50. Okay, RSI surge above 50, possible opportunity, and big volume, right? So this is no volume, no volume, no RSI surge. Okay, so this one I will not be buying this one. MRCB long term. Okay, MRCB is a strong stock. Okay, so already broke up. MRCB already broke up. So this one, okay, you want to buy, okay, must hold long term. Okay, so you buy here, okay, the price, okay, if the price doesn't drop below 0.485, okay, possible can buy. Okay, or you want to wait for rebound because the price is overbought. Okay, so the price might come down a little bit, okay, and go up again. Okay, so we buy the rebound. Okay, because it's already overbought here. Okay, and but the good news is already break okay, already broke the triangle. Okay, so good news, broke the triangle, most likely. Okay, possibility 0.7. Hey, this is too far. Yeah, okay, here we are measuring the, okay, the triangle size here. Okay, here. Okay, a break of the triangle, the price possibility the price could go, okay, of the same size. It will create another same size triangle length. Okay, means this triangle, right? This triangle, right? Okay, after it broke up, okay, it will create another triangle with the same length of this triangle, same height. Okay, same height, this triangle. Okay. If I buy rebound or buy and hold, if drop back, okay, if drop back below 0.485, you need to be careful, okay, because maybe it's a false break. Okay, false break means the break is just a very short term play. Sober dynamic. Okay, super dynamic on the way up, so we have to wait for a dip before we buy. Okay, a dip. This is in the channel. Okay, the best time to buy in the channel. You buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Okay, so best buy at the bottom, sell at the top. Okay, so this one already gone up here. Possible, we wait for a retracement, only buy, or a drop to the bottom, then only buy. Okay. Asia. Okay, Asia almost reached the short-term target. Okay, either want to hold or TP. Okay, up to the investor. Okay, because when I talk about the breakout over here, right? When I highlighted the breakout over here, now already for 52%. Okay, already 52% up. Okay, so it's up to the investor. Okay, this one you can TP because it's already overbought, quite overbought. Okay, so the price actually could drop. I do think the price can continue to go up. I do think, not guarantee. Okay, I'm not an advisor. I'm not a professional advisor or consultant. Okay, so this is just my opinion. What I'm going to do. Okay, for me, I still got to hold. Okay, so I foresee the price already here, right? It could drop to this trend line, bounce up, or it can drop to this trend line and bounce up this trend line. Okay, so there's two trend line in play here. Okay, so this is the longer term trend line. The long term trend line is this one. Okay, if you want to hold 1 year, 2 year, is this one. Okay, if you want to hold 1, 2 months, is this one. Okay, if you want to hold weeks, day to week, is this one. Okay, so it breaks out from this one, sell. Medium term, breakout here, sell. Long term, breakout here, sell. Okay, but mainly, okay, I'll be looking at these two trend line because I'm not very long term. Okay, I'm a medium, short to medium term. Okay, not daily. I'm not a day trader. DATAPREP. So DATAPREP news already out. Okay, they got the integrated solution awarded. Okay, integrated solution technology. They are recreating this integrated solution technology screening for the health department. Malaysia health department. That's why they are the goring. Okay, so this one is anybody's guess how far you want to go, and or you want to come down or still want to go up. This is purely goring. There is no technical to it. Okay, purely news. DNEX also. Okay, DNEX got awarded the national single window for trade facility for the government, so another project. That's why the price flew until here. Okay, so this one also is anybody's guess. There's no technical to it. Okay, only news and goring. Okay, so it can fly, continue to fly, or it can continue to landslide. So anybody's guess. SINSOF is another project related, another goring counter. Okay, 17.86 million contract developed commercial vehicle licensing for the Transport Ministry. Okay, so this one at least still got a little bit of technical. There's a trend line over here. Okay, so the price don't break out of this trend line, still can hold. Okay, even still got technical, that too no technical. Okay, EDARAN. Okay, EDARAN already TP over here. First time. Okay, already TP. Okay, but if didn't TP the second time come here, need to TP already. Okay, so this one already TP already. Take profit. Jack. Okay, Jack also reached TP already. Okay, Jack also reached the target 0.435, but almost reached 0.435, 0.433 it reached. So as I said okay, the target is not a straight line. Okay, the target is not exactly the price over here. Okay, because this is the activity of thousands of traders, okay, thousands of traders. So when thousands of people are joining in an activity, we can't get a direct straight line one, okay, a direct target. So the target normally is slightly above or slightly below, okay. If we already reach here, almost there, okay, and we see, okay, people want to starting to sell, okay, just sell it, okay, and when it almost reach like 5%, okay, 5% of our target, okay, five or less than 5% than our target, 5% or less, 5% is a lot, okay, maybe 1-2%, 1-2%. Let's say this one, how many percent from our target? 1%, right? 1% from our target, okay. So we reach 1-2% away from our target, right? So there's no harm in taking profit, okay, because we already went so far. 5% is a lot, not 5%, 1-2%, sorry, from our target, okay. So this one I already take profit. Complete kaboom already, okay, complete kaboom already. Should be TP around here. I already draw this channel, right? So when the price break out the channel, should TP already, okay. So the price already come back down. So where the price want to go, there's no anybody's guess now, okay. It can continue to go up because it's pure goring, there's no technical to it. It can come back to 70 cents, okay, or it can still go back to 170, okay. So this is anybody's guess, okay. Now there's not much technical to it, okay. If you want to apply technical, still can a little bit, okay. Draw a trend line connecting all these channel, okay. So the price actually broke up, okay. This broke up from this falling channel, which is very, okay, which is a very fast falling channel, okay. If you want to go to 1 hour, you can see the channel very clear, okay. So this is a falling channel. Okay, so the price already broke out of this falling channel, right? But looking at this type of big drop, right? We simply cannot expect price to, after a big sell off, we just can't see how the price can be like that. Okay, can be like that. Most likely, okay, can stay sideways, okay, or continue to go down. Okay, most likely and not guaranteed. Okay, it might still continue to go up, depend on how the people want to goring, okay. This is a goring stock, purely goring, so not much technical to talk about. OWG. So OWG almost near, almost near profit, okay. And the price is overbought, a lot overbought. Possible can TP already, okay. Near here 0.55, our target is 0.6, right? So possible can TP already. If not, the price might come down on a correction, then go up, or maybe come down and go up, okay. So this one very near possible can take profit already. And from the day I highlight, right, I highlighted, I think should be around here, okay. From the top already 43%, okay. So today close is 34%, okay. So not bad, 34%, okay. Or that day the top is 42%, somewhere here, I think, okay. If don't want to wait too long, maybe can already take profit here, okay, because the target is not very far away. From that day top, right, the target is only 6% away, okay. So, and looking at this candle, right, this candle is telling us that a lot of people are selling. This is a pin bar, right, a tail bar, not a pin bar, okay. And the price already overbought, okay. So two this add up means that the price could correction, means can come down a little bit, then only go up, or come down and sideways, we don't know, okay. So this one possible, okay. AEON. So AEON also almost reached our target, 1.4, right, 1.46, okay. This is our target. Price already went up since that day, right. We talked about this AEON highlight already. Target is 40%, okay. So now already reached the top of that day, the high is 37%. Now it closed at 33%. Okay, so this one, the price, right, the RSI already come back down to below zero. Okay, so this one, for me, right, as long as it don't drop out, okay, from this trend line, I continue to hold. Okay, continue to hold for me. Okay, almost unless you do a big drop, a big candle, a big drop like this, a big red candle drop up. Okay, then possible I want to take profit. Okay, because the price already come down, okay, means there's still room to go up. There's still room to go up. Okay, so the cutoff is 1.285. Airport. Okay, airport also I talk about here, right? Airport is take profit already, okay. So airport I talk about here, that day I talk about here. Here the breakout. Okay. To the top already 25% to the top, okay. So this one when the price almost reached 6.7, right, should take profit already, okay. So the price now on the pin bar means a lot of sellers already. Okay, now continue the next day, a lot of sellers. So 2 days in a row, a lot of selling and the price already overbought. So I'm not saying the price will come down, but the price is right for adjustment. Okay, for a retracement means the price will come down over here. Okay, rebound or come down over here, rebound. Okay, come down to 6.2 or 5.9. Okay, to rebound. For long term, maybe still can hold because the stock, right? The airplanes still not flying, right? So the still got time to go ring, okay? Not to say go ring, not to buy, okay? This is not a boring stock. This is a recovery stock. Okay, boring stock different. Boring stock, big news coming, boom, fly. Okay, this is a vaccine coming. Okay, this kind of stock. Okay, those are big news. Got project. Okay, got a joint venture project. Sell off, buy off. You know all these things. Boom. This one like okay the market is going to recover. So this one slowly U-turn up recovery. Okay, V shape up or U-turn up. Okay, so this recovery stock. Sun Darby lately looks good. Okay, so Sun Darby already broke out from this channel. Okay, this channel. It has been in this channel since September. Okay, September, October. So now it broke up. Okay, so this one buy and hold for long term. Okay, you want to invest, buy and hold for long term. First target is 2.5. Second target is 2.6. Third target 2.8, and a final target, okay, for me okay, is 3 ringgit. But this is long term. Buy and hold. INARI is a bit overpriced. That's why even a lot of good news, right? Good wipe about the 5G, about the China, not enough chip, not enough wireless chip, all these things because of US ban, all these things, but it's not making progress. Okay, it got a break, but a lot of selling right, and the volume is very big, and the breakout here, right, the volume smaller than all this selling. That's the problem. Okay, all this selling is so big, but the volume of buying is still small. Then this is not a beautiful. Okay, this is not a beautiful breakout. Okay, so this one I will ignore. Okay, until it show a lot of momentum. Okay, a lot of consolidation. This is not consolidation. Okay, consolidation means after long time, right? The price like is sideways long time. Then after a burst, okay, or the burst, the price come down slowly in a channel, okay, then a burst, okay, then we go for it. This is everywhere. The price is everywhere means the concentration of the push is not there. Okay, so this one I ignore. Post also doing nothing yet after so many good news about Post. Okay, so wait for a breakout over 9.6. TAWIN. So TAWIN now is consolidating something like in the sideways, okay, in the box, okay. So this one we want to see either a break of 390, okay, 0.39 possible to buy, okay, a break above, okay, or if it break below, we want to see a rebound at 0.27 or rebound at 0.23 to buy, okay. So this one, to wait and see. KPJ. KPJ also in a sideways in the box. Okay, so we want to see a break above 1.040, opportunity to buy. Okay, sell at the top 0.1. Okay, to okay, sell at 1.1 or 1.1 or 1.13. Okay, so possible if break above, if it break below, okay, sell first, wait for a rebound at 0.955. DSONIC already spoke. SUNWAY. So SUNWAY is in a very strong uptrend in the channel, right? Okay, so after wait for a price to maybe hit the top of the channel, come back down, rebound, okay, maybe buy after the rebound, okay. So now it's not the time to buy. So the place to buy possible, okay, is 1.6, okay, around 1.6, a rebound around 1.6. SCIB. So SCIB a good breakout, okay. Volume, yes. RSI break 50, yes. A strong up push candle, yes. But after that, there's no, okay, there's no more energy, okay, because there's a resistance over here. Okay, so we want to see whether it can break 2.050. It can break 2.050, the price should continue to go up. If it cannot break for long term, okay, this could be a false break. The market sometimes, right, market do play tricks with us, right? Okay, market do generate a false break, okay, a break that is not, okay, that is not a real break, means a trap. Okay, market do trap people. Okay, if market doesn't trap people, everybody will be millionaire. So this time, this could be a trap. Okay, what we highlighted when the chart, right, when the chart show that a good breakout, okay, it means the percentage of going up is higher, okay, than just buying a stock that is coming down, okay. Means we put ourselves in a position where our percentage of going up is higher than percentage going down, okay. Like the growth stock, right, in current position, right, the percentage is going down is higher than percentage going up, okay. So do you want to put a position, okay, there's no guarantee it will not go up. This one also, there's no guarantee it will not go down, okay. So but judging at the chart say that we are in the higher position of going up. So we want to place ourselves there, or we want to place ourselves in the growth stock where the chart tells us we are on the higher position of going down. Which one we want to sit, okay. So if we are to bet our life on it, put our life on it. So okay, this car and this car, okay, this car is well maintained, okay. It has higher possibility, okay, to reach the target, okay, and don't fall down into the river, okay. So this one, the car is not well maintained, okay. It's very broken, okay, and the car, doesn't have power to go up the hill. Maybe it will fall down into the river, okay. This when we see the car, right, when we just like we look at the chart, okay, we see the car. This is a great car, good condition. This is a bad car, bad condition. So which car you want to take? Not to say that the good car will not drop into the river, right, and the bad car will not we're not saying the bad car will not reach the target, okay, and and it will fall into the river. No, okay, it may still reach the target, okay. The good car also might not reach the target and fall, and when it climb the hill too steep, it might still fall into the river. Okay, but when we are trying to decide which one we want to decide, right? Of course, we want to put ourselves in the higher probability position. Then we choose the well-maintained, better car, right? So this is why the chart is telling us, okay. But we are not saying that the price will not go down. Okay, good car also can get accident, okay, can break down also. But we are in a higher probability area. Okay, that is what we want to do. Okay, so this one Friday take profit is normal. Okay, so as long as the price don't fall down this trend line, okay, and don't fall down below 1.7, okay, we still can hold. Okay, if it fall down, then this could be a false break. Okay, market do this kind of false break. It did a very convincing break, but it never continued. No momentum to go. It do happen. Okay, it do happen. If not, everybody will be millionaire, right? So Franken. Okay, Franken is a false break. The price broke up and now the price went back down. Okay, so tomorrow we want to see continue up push, then only possible to buy. Okay, so this is a false break. Does not justify. Lion Industry. Lion Industry broke up, but now the price start to come down. But it is still a break. Okay, but not a strong break. The volume is not big, but it does meet the requirement of a break. Means break out of the channel. Okay, the slightly larger volume. Okay, volume is not great, but still larger volume, and RSI drop from below 50 to 50. So this is still considered. Okay, so this one want to hold. Okay, until the price, okay, break below this one 0.74. If it break below, okay, close. Okay, so this one, because it got a resistance over here 0.815. Okay, that's why it has a problem breaking through. But next week we want to see. Okay, if next week the price continue to come down, okay, to this area, okay, possible want to close first. KSL. So KSL, I talk about this breakout now already fly already, right? KSL already fly already. So already hit first target. For me, I will hold until the second target is 0.78. Okay, for KSL. So potential, we are talking about 20%. Okay. MRCB already talked. DataSonic already talked. DNEX already talked. Bintai is in a downtrend or AIMFLEX. Bintai, nothing much to talk. AIMFLEX is iStone okay, previously. So iStone is in a channel. Okay, so in channel, so the price try to break out of this channel. So RSI got a bounce of over 50. The break is not strong, the volume is there, so this one is 50-50. Okay, want to take this one, want to take on this one or not? For me, it's 50-50. Okay, for me, I will not take because the break candle is not strong. Okay, the breakout candle is not strong. Okay, this candle is not strong. We want to see Monday. Okay, whether the follow up, okay, the follow up candle is strong. Okay, if the follow up candle is strong, means next Monday, okay, it's strong, possible because the volume also very small. Okay, so this one not my taste. UEM bought the land at the PJ area, the Dutch lady. So now should have something going on very soon. Okay, in these few years, some big announcement. Okay, so but looking at chart, okay, we want to see the price break through the 50 cent and 52 cent breakthrough here. Then only we talk about the long term. Okay, up. Okay, if we haven't breakthrough, means we might still need to wait for a long time for the price to have some momentum up. Okay, so this one we have to wait and see. Okay, so that's it for this week. MINETECH, AIMFLEX and MINETECH, let me take a quick look at MINETECH. MINETECH recently got a project, right? Gold mining project. So MINETECH already broke up from from a wedge pattern. Okay, already broke up. But it's still below the 200 moving average, which is not so good. Okay, for me, I want to wait for it to break above the 200 moving average. $2.3, okay, 2.5. Okay, it can break around break 2.3, 2.5. Okay, possible opportunity. Okay, now it's still 50-50 because it's still below the 200 moving average. It means the long-term bias is still a bearish bias. Okay, bearish bias. Okay, so this one wait and see. It might not be able. If we cannot be able to break over here, the price might come back down. Okay. Okay, so that's it for this week. Okay, hope everybody have a wonderful weekend. Okay, have a wonderful time with your family. Okay, and good luck to next week trading. Hopefully, okay, next week the KLCI will have us do some minor rebound. Okay, so we don't get caught in another bear market again. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.